Hello dear students, welcome to Chem Class Academy. Today I am going to explain concept of density. The concept of density. The density is way of describing tightly packed substance. Is how close together its molecules and atoms, or how much mass is given in a volume. See, the density is way of describing tightly packed a substance is how close together its volume, its molecules and atoms are, how much mass is in given volume. But here the volume is same. The given volume is same. But molecule, substance or atoms tightly packed. It is substance tightly packed, but given volume is same. But here the atoms or molecules or substance close together. But here is there is no close together. But here the close together, the tightly packed in this volume. But here there is no close together, there is no tightly packed in this volume. So here the more mass is given, more density. More mass is given in volume, is more density. Less mass is given in a volume in less dense. In this, more mass is in given volume is more dense, and less mass is in given volume less dense. So it is more dense, more density due to close to packed and tightly close together. The atoms or molecules are close together and tightly packed, so it is more density. And in this, less density due to there is no tightly packed and close together, so it is less density. See experiment about concept of density. I take two glass, same volume of water and same density. It is same density. And two lemons, so both are the same mass. I dip water. Both are I dip in water. So both lemons are settled in bottom. So the lemon density is more and water density is less. The lemon density is more and water density is less. So next I add salt. You can take sodium, chloride, any salt. Add some salt. Again I dip 2 lemons in 2 glasses. So now here the water density is more, lemon density is less. So here the water density is less, lemon density is more. But here the water density is more and lemon density is less. The mass is given in volume. The more mass given in volume is more dense. More mass given in volume, more dense in this water. And in this, the more mass is given, the lemon mass is more. So that is more density. So it is experiment for density. In this container, water density is more. In that experiment, the first is both lemons are more mass, so more density, and then add some salt in water. The water mass is increases. The mass is increases. So the water density is more, lemon density is less. So that is experiment is the density. Which one is more dense? More mass is more density, and less mass is less density. For example, gas, and liquid, and the solid. So the gas to solid, density is increases. Density increases. Gas to liquid and solid, density is increases. So the molecules, the gas molecules, there is no tightly close together, but liquids compare with gas, the liquid is more tightly close together. The molecules are close together, and the solid compare with liquid, it's highly close together, very close together, tightly packed. So it is solid. So gas to solid, the density is more. Now the ratio of an object and its volume, or the relation between mass and volume is density. The ratio of mass and object, its volume, or the relation between mass and volume is density. So object mass is kg, and object volume is meter cube, centimeter cube, millimeter cube, liter and milliliter. It is kg or gram. So density is nothing but mass by volume. Density is nothing but mass by volume. So density is nothing but mass by volume. Mass is kg by meter cube or gram by centimeter cube. So units. So the problem is a piece of granite rock, as mass is 7 grams and volume is 6 centimeter cube. So the density, the formula of density is density equal mass by volume. So the mass is 7 grams and the volume is 6 centimeter cube. So 7 by 6 equal almost is 1.16. The units is gram per centimeter cube. It is the answer. So you can clear the concept of density. Thank you very much.